Now we have seen multiplication, division, addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Now we are going to learn something interesting. So the next topic is numbers in between rational numbers. So there will be two rational numbers given and उसके बीच का हम लोग का numbers find out करना है. Alright. So first let us start from basic. Okay. Write all the natural numbers between 2 and 9. So between 2 and 9, how many natural numbers are there? So 2 के बाद always start करना है. So 2 के बाद we have 3, then we have 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 9 नहीं लेना है because between 2 and 9 the numbers are asked. So 9 is the last number, so 9 we don't have to take. So between 2 and 9 we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Alright. Now read the second question. Write all the integers between -4 and 5. So you have already seen the number line. -4 के बाद कौन सा number आता है? It is -3. Okay. On a number line, if you see like this, here it is 0, here it is 1, this side 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here on left hand side, it will be negative. -1, -2, -3 and -4. So between -4 and 5, which all numbers are there? From here you can start. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. -4 we don't have to take and 5 we don't have to take. Between जो भी रहेगा that numbers we have to take. So you know what are the numbers of the between natural numbers, two natural numbers. You can also find out the numbers between the two integers. Okay. Now if you are told to find out numbers between two rational numbers, so which rational numbers are there between 1/2? See here fractions are given 1/2 and 3/4. So the first step that you have to do is see both the number 1/2 and 3/4. Are the denominators equal? No. So first thing you have to do is make denominators equal. So here there is 4 and 4 is related to 2. So that means what? 2 2s are 4 we can get. So here also we can get 4. Here already there is 4. Here we can get 4. So we have to multiply here by 2. So 2 into 2 will get 4. So if we multiply in the denominator, we have to multiply in the numerator also. So we'll get the answer 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now the two numbers will be 2/4 and 3/4. Alright. Now you can see second number will remain as it is and first number we have made the denominator 2/4. So now the denominators are equal. If I have to situate randomly on a number line, this will be, if I take this number as 2/4, this line, and this line will be 3/4 because 2/4 के बाद when the denominators equal, you can ignore the denominators. Equal है ना, तो now you can just ignore. So 2 के बाद immediately we get 3. So 2 के बाद on the number line we'll have to locate 3/4. Okay. So 2/4 will be after that there will be 3/4. Now in between these two numbers, if they tell us to locate different rational numbers 2/4 और 3/4 के बीच में अगर locate करना है, so you have to just see the numerator. So numerator में यहाँ पे क्या है? 2 है, यहाँ पे है 3. So इसके बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? There is no number. 2 के बाद immediately we get 3. So now if you want to find out, there is one trick. So I will show you all that trick. If they want only one number, what you have to do is multiply and divide by 2 to both the numbers. यहाँ पे भी. So what I will do is, see, I will take this number first, 2/4. यहाँ पे I will multiply and divide. So both the sides I'll multiply by 2. And second number is 3/4. यहाँ पे भी I'll multiply by 2. Same number. Now let us see what answer we'll get. So 2 2s are, here we'll get 4 equal to, I'll write down. And 4 2s are, here I'll get 8. 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. Now if you see these two numbers in between 4 and 6, the denominators are same. So anyhow when I said denominator is same, you can ignore. Now in 4 and 6, can you see 6? Can you see which all numbers you can get? So 4 के बीच में कौन सा आता है? You have 5. So you in between these two numbers you will get 5/8. So now see, before you had 2 and 3. इसके बीच में there was no number because 2 के बाद immediately we have 3. But if you have your same denominator, after 4 you have 5 in between and then you have 6. Now if they tell you all to find out 3 numbers between 4 and 6, will you be able to find out? Because 4 के बाद you have just 5 and उसके बाद 6 आता है, तो 3 numbers कैसे find out करेंगे? So for that again what you do is, again I'll tell you a trick. Again this number and this number you take 4/8, 6/8 और इसको भी हम लोग again will multiply by 2, ऊपर नीचे और यहाँ पे भी ऊपर नीचे. Now 4 2s are again what you will get 8 and 8 2s are 16. 6 2s are here you will get 12 and 8 2s are 16. Now denominator is same so we can ignore. अभी 8 और 12 के बीच में कौन से numbers है? 8 के बाद we have 9, 9/16. डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो सेम रहेगा. सो 8 के बाद वी हैव 9, उसके 9 के बाद वी हैव 10, 10/16 एंड 10 अगेन वी हैव 11. 10 के बाद देर इज 11. सो अपॉन 16 इट विल रिमेन कॉमन एंड देन वी हैव 12. सी नाउ यहाँ पे वी हैड जस्ट वन आंसर, यहाँ पे वी हैव 3 numbers. Isn't it exciting? So if you want more and more numbers between these two numbers, then you have to multiply by same number to this both numbers. Okay, so same number मतलब यहाँ पे 2 and 2 से multiply किया है, यहाँ पे भी 2 and यहाँ पे भी 2. Okay, you can't multiply by different numbers. Okay, so first step you have to, when you see two numbers, first thing you have to do is first equalize the denominator. Once you equalize the denominator, if they have told us to find out 3 numbers, then again you have to multiply by same number to both the numbers. Okay, so ये numbers को भी, ये number को भी 2 and 2 से multiply किया, ये number को भी 2 and 2 से multiply किया. Okay, so if I multiply the numbers I'll get, in between I get only one number, but they wanted 3 numbers. So these 2 numbers जो मिला है, again these 2 numbers I'll multiply by 2, same number. The numbers I'll get, इसके बीच में I got 3 numbers. If I want 6 numbers, again what I'll do? Again I'll take these 2 numbers and again I'll multiply by 2. So I'll get more numbers. So if you want more and more numbers between these 2 original numbers, ये original numbers के बीच के ही numbers है, you know, that is the magic. So between 1/2 and 3/4, these are the 3 rational numbers. You can easily tell that. So what do you have to do? You have to keep multiplying by a factor, that is 2. Alright? Now moving forward, in practice set, so here it is given, there are innumerable rational numbers between any 2 rational numbers. Okay, always there are innumerable, you can get innumerable rational numbers between any 2 rational numbers. But what trick I have, you should do that I have told you. You have to keep multiplying. First step you have to do is make denominator equal and then you have to keep multiplying by same number, that is 2. Okay. Now the first question which here was given, write the 3 rational numbers. So they have asked for 3 rational numbers. 3 rational numbers that lie between the 2 given numbers. So first is this and second is this. First you have to check is the denominator equal? Yes, it is equal. Then you check just numerator. 2 और 6 के बीच में कितने numbers है? So 2 के बाद we have 3, then we have 4, then we have 5. Okay, so in between these 2 we have 3 rational numbers. So इसका answer we got it directly. Now second sum, let us see. We have 2 rational numbers, 4/5 and 2/3. We have to find out rational numbers between these 2. First thing we have to do is equalize the denominator. So to equalize the denominator, always ये denominator को ये denominator से multiply करने का. So I'll write down 4/5 over here. इसको 5 को 3 से multiply करने का. So if I multiply in denominator by 3, in numerator also have to multiply by 3. And ये number को ये denominator this number denominator, that means 3, you have to multiply by this denominator, that means 5. Okay, and if I multiply in the denominator, I have to multiply in the numerator also, same number. Now let us see what answer we'll get. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Now we have same denominator. Once we have same denominator, we have to, second step that we have to do is, for जो छोटा नंबर है वो पहले लिखने का. So 10 is छोटा, so write down 10/15 first and 12/15 you write down afterwards. Okay, once you have this arrangement, between 10 and 12 you have to locate 3 numbers. So 10 के बाद we have 11/15 and and उसके बाद immediately we will get 12 upon 15. So we just have one number. So now what you have to do? You have to multiply and divide it by 2. Okay. So multiply and divide by 2. You will get these two numbers. You have to multiply and divide by 2. So 10 into 2 and 15 into 2. This number. Second number is 12 into 2 and 15 into 2. Okay, same numbers say 10 2s are 20, 15 2s are 30, 12 2s are 24 and 15 2s are 30. Now between 20 and 24 you will find how many numbers. 20 के बाद we have 21, then we have 22, then we have 23. Divided by 30 only we have to write on same denominator. Okay. This was, now this is another step and we get these two numbers. So in between these two numbers 20 and 24 we have 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. Now we have three numbers. So here in question also they have asked three rational numbers they want. We get three rational numbers. So finally in answer you have to write down original numbers लिखना है. The three rational numbers between, ये दोनों के बीच में हम लोगों ने फाइंड आउट किया, बट दिस टू नंबर्स कम फ्रॉम विच ओरिजिनल नंबर? दिस टू ओरिजिनल नंबर्स. सो बिटवीन 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3 original numbers you have to write down are 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. All right, now moving forward, next sum is third one. Your one number is negative, so you don't have to get confused if one rational number is given as negative and one is positive. First thing you have to check is whether denominator is equal or no. So both are rational numbers 3 and 5. So अपोजिट नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो 3 है, यहाँ पे 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो जहाँ पे 5 है वहाँ पे ये नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो आई विल राइट डाउन 2 upon 3 एंड आई विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. सो यर 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, सो ऊपर भी 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 4 upon 5 सेकेंड नंबर आई विल राइट डाउन और ये डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, दैट मीन्स 3 ऊपर और नीचे. ओके, नाउ यू मल्टीप्लाई. 5 2s are 10 and minus sign as it is you write down, and 5 3s are 15. 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are again 50. Now in between you neglect the denominator. Just see minus 10 and 12. So between minus 10 and 12 how many numbers will be there? You already know the number line. So 0 यहाँ पे रहता है, यहाँ पे we have all positive numbers. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. एंड यहाँ पे -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -7 -8 -10 ऐसा तक रहता है. सो -10 to -12 तक वी हैव सो मेनी नंबर्स. ओके, हाउ मेनी नंबर्स यू हैव? आई विल राइट डाउन. आफ्टर -10 you have -9 upon 15, then you have -8 upon 15. You have denominator write down same, -7 upon 15, -6 upon 15, -5 upon 15, -4 upon 15, -3 upon 15, -2 upon 15, -1 upon 15. -1 के बाद we have 0. 0 upon 15 we cannot write because 0 upon any number is 0 only. Then after 0 you have 1 upon 15, 2 upon 15, 3 upon 15, 4 upon 15, 5 upon 15, 6 upon 15, 7 upon 15, 8 upon 15, 9 upon 15, 10 upon 15 and 11 upon 15, and last number will be 12 upon 15, which is this number. So we have so many numbers. Out of these numbers we have to just write down 3. So you can select any 3. So ये select कर लूँगी मैं, एक 0 ले लूँगी and 1 I'll take positive. Okay, so the three rational numbers between, write down original numbers, -2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5 are, I selected this, -6 upon 15, 0 and this I selected 3 upon 15. You can take anything, okay, any of this number, but you have to just write down 3. नाउ द लास्ट वन इज 0 एंड -3. सो सबसे पहले छोटा नंबर जो है पहला लिखने का, छोटा इज दिस -3/4. उसके बाद वी गेट 0. ओके, माइनस नेगेटिव नंबर्स आर ऑलवेज लेस देन 0. ओके, सो बिटवीन -3 एंड 0, 0 के डिनोमिनेटर में यू कैन टेक एनी नंबर. सो यहाँ पे जो 4 है वो सेम 4 यू कैन टेक. सो इग्नोर द डिनोमिनेटर. -3 और 0 के बीच में कितने नंबर्स है? आई विल राइट डाउन ओवर हियर -3 in number line. After that you have -2, -1 and 0. So between 0 and -3 you have only 2 numbers, but we wanted 3 numbers. So what do you have to do? Multiply and divide by 2 I'll do. So first I'll take -3/4. If you want more and more numbers, so we have to multiply and divide by 2. So I'll do this. And 0 ko if you multiply and divide by 2, so it is going to be 0 only. Anything you do to 0, it is going to be 0. So we'll get answer. -3 into 2 is what? -6. 3 2s are 6 and minus sign as it is, divided by 4 2s are 8, and 0 will remain as it is. Now between -6, -4, -5 and -6. So -6 and 0 we have more numbers. So which are those numbers? -6 ke this side, right hand side, we have -5/8, then we have -4/8, then we have -3/8, -2/8, -1/8, 0, and 0 is the last. 0 we don't have to take. So we have so many numbers. From this you can select any 3 numbers. So I'll select this, this and this. Okay, so final statement you write down. The 3 rational numbers between 0, original numbers you write down, 0 and not 0, -3/4 and 0, because first comes this na, are -4/8, -3/8 and -2/8. Alright, so these 3 numbers I have selected, so I wrote that numbers. So these sums are very easy. You solve it in your notebook, and the sums which I have not solved, that are for homework. Alright, I'll give the answers.